Hello everyone, I do hope you're well. I have an order for a ceramic beaded bracelet. Now these are quite heavy, so I'm going to do the double thread method. Nothing worse for a customer's bracelet breaking. So these are the beads. They're 12 millimeters. Pretty blue beads. Now I'm going to use 0.6 elastic today. So I'm going to use a needle to do this. And then I've got this other needle, just in case I cannot get this through when I go through twice. And this is just a needle that opens up in the middle. Very bendy. And it just works for me, so use what works for you. And a pair of scissors to cut the elastic. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure 20 inches of elastic. I know that seems an awful lot, give it a stretch. Now on the end, I'm just going to add a beading clip. All the supplies are available on my website, which I'll link below for you, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. If you look up ceramic beads, you'll find these. So I've attached the beading clip. Just going to thread this needle. Now we need to make a bracelet that's 7 inches in length. So I'm just going to add the beads. I just check each one over, because when they're in the packet in the drawer, they can, as I'm looking around for other things, get hit together and they can crack or chip. So just to doubly make sure. Just going to thread these on. So we just start threading. These are available in lots of different colours. I hope you're having a lovely day. The weather is lovely. The sun is shining down here in Bristol, UK, for those of you that are not from the UK. Hello to all the new subscribers. It's lovely to have you here. And if you're watching and haven't subscribed, you need to subscribe. I have lots of tutorials available. Ideal for the complete beginner. This is very easy to do. I'm just going to measure, see where we're, 6. Just put those over there. Just under, which I'll put another one. So 16 beads. Just slightly over 7 inches, but that's fine. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And what I'm going to do now is go all the way back through Hopefully this will go through, this needle, otherwise I will use this one. So we're going to go all the way back through. Let's see if it will fit through. Yeah, this is fitting through, that's fine. So I shouldn't have to use the other needle. So I've just gone through those two. I'll do the others. We'll do two at a time. This is really good for using when you use larger gemstone beads as well. So far I haven't had anyone come back and say their bracelet is broken. So I've gone through twice, so we've got one thread here, and we've got, I'm going to take the bead clip off the end, take this one, I'm just going to push those down just so I've got a little bit more to work with for tying. So this is what it looks like. So we've got the thread going through the beads, and then we've got the two ends also coming out. I do hope you can see that. So I'm going to tie a knot, and I want to tie this one in as well. I just tie together. So it's almost like a triangle. Here's the one I've just tied, here's the one that is going through the beads. Then I'm going to put the elastic underneath so that I grab that piece of thread. I'm just going to tie a normal knot. So we've got the knot, and we've taken the elastic going through the beads. We've grabbed that onto that as well. So I'm now going to do a surgeon's knot, and I'm going to do a normal knot, but actually go through twice. I'll put a little photo so you can see. Pull, and then we're going to go and do a knot the other way. And I always do one for luck. Now we're going to snip the ends off. Now it's completely up to you if you want to put a dab of glue on. I don't normally, but I will. For today's purposes, I will. I just need to get some, I need a piece of cotton. cardboard. I'll just use this jewellery card. So we find the knot. It's probably gone in between the beads. That's what I intended it to do. I think it's... Can't even find the knot now. There we go, there's the knot. There's the knot. Now I'm just going to add a tiny bit of glue to the end. There we go. Right, put the lid on. People use clear nail varnish, top coat. I'm just putting some super glue. And carefully take that off. And thread the knot through the beads. When they're not being worn, keep them in a plastic. I keep mine in a Ziploc clear bag, and it helps them last. See, no spraying perfume or go swimming with them. Please give it a like if you like this video. I do have some other tutorials where I've done the double threaded method. I'll link those for you as well. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting. Enjoy the rest of your day.